is after 3 years of detailed homework that we have decided on the steps that we're going to take. Whatever steps that we're going to take from now on, and all the moves that we're going to make are going to be legally sound. So therefore, whatever decisions, whatever question of any aspect of any action to be taken by the government will be based on proper documentation and proper legal fronts. It is important for individuals, the leaders from government of Punjab who have mentioned that they will be also taking up the matter. They need to also understand that the ownership of the land is with the government in terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Milliam. Now, once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government, residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who've been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order or anything, we respect the stand that different commissions may have. We will challenge that in the court, as I said. So once we go to High Court or Higher Court, Division Bench or Supreme Court, we will take up the matter and we will challenge it. As I said, we are very clear on the stand of the government, and as I said, it's an issue that has been pending too long, and we need to find a solution to this issue also. May not be the most simplest solution, but we will work towards finding an amicable solution to this issue also. One cannot stop anybody if they have concerns for their people. It's very fair. I mean, if somebody were being, if our people, Khasis or Garos, are going to be harassed in another state, obviously as a state government, it is our responsibility and duty to intervene. So it's not something wrong that the other governments are doing by informing, or I shouldn't say interfering, but by showing their concern. It is natural that they show their concern. But it should be clear to all these governments and individuals and political parties also that whatever the government of Meghalaya will do will be legally sound, and we will follow legal procedure, and all the procedures required for any kind of step or action to be taken will be done in a very, very legal manner. So therefore, one should not take it in a wrong sense that we will just simply will bulldoze. That's absolutely not the case. We have done a lot of homework in this, and we will now, as I said, break this into smaller problems, and we're resolving this one by one. And obviously the last part which is there, which is most complicated, we have asked the Urban Affairs Department to give us what are the options that they have. In the meantime, the other procedures of shifting the municipal office, shifting the employees who are government officials, who have been allocated spaces, all those aspects can start happening. So we will see that the solution will start rolling, and we're hopeful that we will soon be able to find a complete solution to this problem also.